Okay, our objective is simplifying expressions. Take a moment to pause the video and record the 4 definitions that I have here. My definitions are term, like terms, constant, and simplest form. I'd like to take a look at each of these individual definitions to get a better understanding of what they mean and to get examples. First, I have term. Each part of an algebraic expression is called a term. In the expression I have here, I have 8x plus 4y minus 9. 8x is considered one term in my expression. Positive 4y is considered a term in my expression. And negative 9 is considered a term in my expression. When looking at each individual term, I have to look at whatever sign is in front of that term. Because I have a plus in front of 4y, I'm considering it a positive 4y. Because I have a minus in front of the 9, I'm considering it to be a negative 9. Next, I have like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable factors. Here I have 9y and 7y. They both have a variable factor of y, so they are like terms. Here I have negative 4z and 12z. Because they both have the same variable factor of z, they are like terms. Here I have 6xy and 7xy. Because they both have variable factors of x and y, they are considered like terms. Here I have 8 and 14. These are considered constants. Because they're both plain numbers with no variable factors, they are still considered like terms. Next, I have the definition of constant. A constant is a numerical term without a variable. 8 is a constant. 14 is a constant. Negative 2, 9.7, and 1/3. These are all constants, meaning that their value is always constant. 8 will always be 8. 14 will always be 14. The value of these numbers will never change. Next, I have simplest form. An algebraic expression is in simplest form if it has no like terms and no parentheses. Here I have 4 examples of algebraic expressions that are in simplest form. 9y plus 13 has no like terms and no parentheses, so it can no longer be simplified. 2x minus 5 has no like terms and no parentheses. 8xy is in simplest form. 4m plus 2n minus 1 is in simplest form. None of these can be simplified any further because they have no like terms to combine and they have no parentheses. Here I have 4 examples of algebraic expressions that are not simplified. 3r plus 5 minus r. I have like terms of 3r and negative r. Because I have like terms that I can combine, I can still simplify this. Here I have 4 times 2x plus 7. Because that 4 can be distributed, I can multiply it by 2x and by 7 and simplify this expression further. Here I have 5p minus 7 plus 2. I have like terms of negative 7 and positive 2. Because these can be combined, this can be simplified. Here I have 6b plus 3 times c minus 4. Because I have parentheses and I can distribute the 3 by multiplying by c and negative 4, this expression can still be simplified. Now I want to take a look at the 4 examples that I gave you of non-simplified expressions. To simplify an expression, you must clear all parentheses and combine any like terms. Here we determined that we had like terms of 3r and negative r. Because I can combine 3r and negative r to get 2r, my simplified expression would be 2r plus 5. Here, I can distribute the 4 and multiply by 2x and 7. 4 times 2x is 8x, and 4 times 7 is 28. So my simplified expression would be 8x plus 28. Here I have like terms of negative 7 and 2. Because negative 7 and 2 combine to make negative 5, my simplified expression will be 5p minus 5. Here I can distribute the 3 by multiplying by c and negative 4. So I will have 6b plus 3 times c is 3c, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. So I will have 6b plus 3c minus 12.